welcome to my channel. I'm Rhonda, and today is the day I'm going to pick a winner for the mystery crochet book. This is a brand new vintage mystery book. I know some of you are saying vintage 90s, but it is. I didn't make it up. But anyways, it is a book from the 90s, but whatever the case, I hope it inspires you, whoever the winner turns out to be. I think it's great. So how about I show you the book? Would you like to see it? Okay, I can't leave it a mystery forever because then you'll never know. So let's take a look. And it's a book that I really like, and I'd like to try this type of crocheting myself. And I think this is great because this is, and I should just show you, right? But this is a book that can be used for many purposes, not just as it shows in the book. So this is Your Name and More in Filet Crochet. That's what the winner will get. And look at the designs here. It's all letters, so you can put your name, and it doesn't have to be on a table runner. It doesn't have to be on a doily thing. It could be anywhere, and that's what I like about it. It's got a really nice chart for the letters right there. Look at these pictures. And we talked about timeless and treasured or useless passé. Filet crochet could never be useless and passé because you can use it on anything. You could make this an overlay on a little pillow. So just do like the mesh with the name in the middle. There's so many things you could do with this. So that is the book. Look at that. You can let me know what you think of it. And winner, I hope you like it. So let's go to the random comment picker. I'm going to show you my screen so we can see the winner firsthand together. Let's do it now. Okay, so here we are at the random comment picker. I've already pasted the URL in and I filtered duplicate users. So let's go and see how many people we have who have entered this giveaway. So it's a pretty small one, which gives you lots of chances for winning. And I'm going to start, and we're going to see who our winner is of this mystery book. Kim G. Kim G, you have won the mystery book. And Kim G said, hello, I think that the edgings to give or keep one could be applied to more than just linens. I agree. The scrap fashions one can still be used with different color combos or new yarns and maybe a few tweaks in the styles. Some of the high-end yarn companies are still selling the metal closure pieces. I like vintage bags. You can use the basic stitches to make updated versions of the beautiful handbags too. The dress-up baby dolls clothes are adorable. People are just a little uptight about some things and wouldn't have to make them exactly the same. Kim, thank you for your comments. Congratulations. Thank you to all of you who are following me, who are watching, and I appreciate all of you. So Kim, you have 10 days to contact me. Please do that and we'll arrange where I can send your book to. Thanks again, everybody, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.